How to change the front, rear and side pads on your Alco 2004 model. What you're going to do is take your hitch lock off first and remove the protective ball. Next, using a pick, remove the cover. Then you're just going to try and hit them out by the hand, but if not, you can use a hammer very gently to knock them out. There you go. So if you look at the one on your right hand side of the screen, you can see it's a bit more worn, a bit more dishing effect, and there's less dishing on this one. Place the new pads in. There should be an audible click once they're in place, and then replace the cover. There will be an affiliate link in the comments to get replacement pads for these. It will cost you no extra, but it will give me a small amount of commission. We're now going to tackle the front and rear pads. Remove this cover by pulling downwards like that, and then undo these two Torx bits. So there's a little circular bit in there, as is green, and you're just going to use that as a plunger. See, as you push that up, the top plunger goes up. Then they should just come out, but I had to give mine a gentle knock with a hammer just through one of the screw holes, and it did eventually come out. While you are pushing it, you do need to put the plunger in. There you go. This one's, as you can see, a bit more worn and a bit more shiny, so we're just going to put this one in now. So to get it in, you're going to roll it that way towards the rear of the Caravan and then depress the plunger. What you're trying to do at this stage is line up the two screw holes, but you will have to put the plunger in slightly to get it in place. It may not click into place straight away. Once they're aligned, all you're going to do is put the two new screws in. The plunger on top, what you'll see is once it's tightened down, it will just pop into place. Give it a few applications just to make sure everything is all working. To help you with the rear one, I obviously didn't do this. You can lift up the black locking lever, which will give you a bit more space. You're going to need a Torx bit to get to this. As it is quite tight in there, I'd recommend using a ratchet spanner and a small Torx bit and just loosen it off. So as you can see, the back one is really badly worn. So we're just going to put the new one in. Another thing to help to give you a bit more access is if you put this latch up as well. So you're going to have to put this on. This bit just hooks into the bottom of there, and it is pretty hard to do. Mine's actually never sat on properly, so that's how mine personally sits on, but they should in theory go all the way over. I don't know what's happened to mine. Tip you can do is put this in boiling water to warm it up, and it should make it a bit softer. Thanks so much for watching. Please make sure that you like. We're trying to hit 1,000 subscribers, so if this video has helped you, then please make sure you give us a subscribe. If you've got any questions, put them in the comments, and we'll see you on the next one.